Joining us now in a first on CNBC interview, Cleveland-Cliffs CEO Lourenco Goncalves. Lourenco, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Always a pleasure.
All right, so your increased focus on steel appears to be paying off right now. Auto sales were a big driver for the quarter, but that was on record auto shipments. Do you see more upside when it comes to auto shipments than your steel business in the second half of the year?
We do. Our position in automotive is second to none here in the United States. And everything that we are doing is starting to pay off, and as we showed in Q2. And the comparison with the results from last year is comparing apples with bananas. Got to compare with Q1. And our growth in terms of profitability against Q1, it's amazing. From the profitability standpoint, sales standpoint, all metrics that you can use.
So this is pretty interesting. Your shipments went up 15%, but the price went down 15% at the same time. What's putting pressure on price when you're seeing more demand?
Prices are going up sequentially from Q1. When you compare with last year, we are comparing against a year that people were not talking about recession on a daily basis. This year, we have been plagued by this constant conversation about not if, but when the recession would hit. Now, reality is sinking in, and the soft landing is a lot more of a reality than the recession that people were talking pretty much every day on TV.
Yeah, you know, Lourenco, a good point. Obviously, you know, the thoughts of recession have eased up a bit. We're seeing more bullish sentiment. But at the same time, you still saw, I would imagine, less demand from China. There were also just less autos being made. So I understand there was a sequential increase, but still year over year down double digits.
Well, you're very negative, Frank. Let's talk about the reality a little bit. The automotive industry is having their best year since COVID. We are the largest, by a lot, the largest supplier of automotive in this country.
Understood.
So we are enjoying their improvement more than anyone else. So COVID was a big wake-up call for the automotive industry. Supply chains that were all tied to importing stuff changed a lot. So now they are bringing things back. And when they bring manufacturing back to the United States, Cleveland-Cliffs is the player, the partner to work with.
Understood. Also seeing GM raise its guidance today, so obviously a very optimistic sign for you. One other part of your business, about a quarter of sales goes into infrastructure and manufacturing. A lot of that tied to some of the IIJA infrastructure bill spending that we're starting to see roll out. How steady is that revenue going to be? We hear a lot of companies that work with the government say it can be lumpy at times.
Yeah, it's actually, it has been lumpy. You're right about that. But more recently, we're starting to see a real constant inflow of orders on some portions of the infrastructure bill and the Inflation Reduction Act that are starting to really shine. I will call one solar. Solar energy is starting to show a great promise in terms of demand. We are seeing the orders. It's all about our galvanized steel, and this is actually very exciting right now.